everyone. Today we're gonna draw an ice cream. I'm gonna start with my ice cream scoop. I'm actually gonna start with the bottom of it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna draw one semicircle. We're gonna draw another, and another. From here, I'm gonna draw the very top of my ice cream. So I'm gonna make a big round circle. Okay, from here, I'm gonna go ahead and draw my ice cream cone. So I'm gonna draw a little diagonal line here. And then a diagonal line here and make them meet. Perfect. Now from here, I'm gonna draw some cute ice cream eyes. So I'm gonna do one circle here and another little circle on the other side. And then I'm gonna draw one circle here, one circle here, and then a cute little smile in between. So that's it for the basic shape of our ice cream. We're going to start to color some things in, and we're gonna add some details a little bit later, including some of the crisscross lines on the cone. But for right now, let's focus on coloring. So your ice cream can be any color or flavor you want. I'm gonna go ahead and use this fun kind of strawberry color because strawberry ice cream is my favorite ice cream. While we color, you can go ahead and pause if you need to. Next, I'm gonna color in my ice cream cone, and I'm just gonna use a light brown. Next, I'm gonna take my black marker. I'm gonna clean up my lines, and I'm also going to color in my eyes. I'm gonna create some crisscrosses for my cone as well, since I really love a good waffle cone. Now to finish things off, I'm gonna add just a little bit of blush to my ice cream. And there you have it, a sweet little treat for our upcoming summer days. If you like drawing along with me, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.